So, ma'am, what's your good name?
It's Sakshi.
Sakshi. What I've seen, a lot of people struggle to find the right love. Okay, dating is easy. What I feel, to find the right one, to find the one with whom you can be for 40, 50 years. That is a struggle, right? Do you agree with that?
I do agree with that. I'll tell you why. Matlab, from my experience, the reason people struggle is because, first of all, like I said, they are not in touch with who they are.
Right.
So what happens is, if you don't know, like let's say, I'd say recently I made a list of things that are non-negotiable for me. So I suggest people to do that. And for that, to make that list, make a comprehensive list for yourself, you need to be aware of who you are. Until unless you don't know who you are, you can't make a list of the red flags that you definitely have to be like, I need to cut this off from my life. So what I suggest to people, I won't say that I'm any sage or sire as such, but get to know yourself. Make a list of things, because as soon as you know what are the red flags that you have to definitely ignore in your life, you would know that if you're dating some person who has one of those red flags and those non-negotiables, if they don't if they have one of those non-negotiable red flags in them, then you can simply just tell them, you're not the guy for me. So that mental clarity is the reason why people struggle to find the right person for them. So the crux is that you have to know yourself and then make that red flag list. And then if at all you're dating, I think it becomes much easier for you, because you know who to entertain in your life and who not to, because it's a waste of energy if you're dating the wrong person. So I think people have to really work on being vulnerable and letting out their feelings, because I just recently actually got a sticker which says that love is not for the... Okay, so I'll have to find actually a lot of stickers, but what I mean to say is that it says that love is not for the weak. It's only a thing that only the strong can do, because you have to be vulnerable to love, otherwise you just can't.